the market update for real estate in Prince Edward County. This week we had 18 new listings come on. We had 6 that went conditional, 6 that went pending, and we had 8 that closed. In total, we've had 3 price decreases, and we've had 4 that were either suspended, expired, or canceled. In total at the moment, for residential listings, there are 204. Of those, 14 are seasonal, 32 are not yet built, and another 13 already have a conditionally accepted offer. So when we take those 59 away from the total, that leaves us with 142 that are available for you to actually put an offer in on today if you wished. That is 2 up from last week, which was same as it was the week before. But if we look back to January, we are about 21 listings higher and very similar numbers as to everything else from where we were 2 months ago in January. We are expecting, now that the weather's slightly warmed up a little bit, March break is over, that we're going to see a few more buyers come out. And even this weekend, it was a fair bit busier than what we have been over the last little bit. So hopefully that's going to, bring those buyers back, and we're going to get some of those places that have been sitting around for a little bit sold. What that will also do though is it's going to put more pressure on the market if we don't see more listings coming on. The number of listings we have is actually quite low compared to where we'd really like to be and where is kind of a balanced market. So even though it may not feel like it, we're actually in a seller's market at the moment just due to that low number of listings. And what has made it not seem like that has just been the buyer hesitancy that's been happening over the past many months, kind of since almost a year ago actually, Easter weekend, when we really saw the market kind of slow right down. And since then, prices dropped for a few months, and then it's been really kind of actually flat since about last late summer, early fall. So we were just actually talking at our meeting this morning with our real estate brokerage, and our broker was just reminding us that he's run a bunch of numbers. And if you look at where prices were a year and a half ago, when the interest rates are really low, and what you would have paid per month at that time if you had bought when the price was high but interest rates are low, now that the interest rates are higher but prices have come down, you're actually going to pay within about $50 a month at the most as to what you would have paid previously. In some cases, depending on your price point, that could even be just flat and the same. So you actually have a little bit more buying power now, even though the interest rates are higher, because if you think long term of that mortgage, once you had kind of got through that point of having the really low interest rates, and interest rates are now kind of, where they're likely to stay for the next many years, your buying power of that lower price is actually stronger. You're going to get a better house with a better rate overall and have spent less money on it. I would love to discuss anything about real estate with you at any point. Please feel free to reach out, and have a wonderful week.